Yeah, it stopped. Now it's recording. Okay, let's see what happens. All right, this image that we have here is an image of a a piston rod. This and the next image are going to be basic demonstrations of how we check for twist and stretch. In this image here, we're seeing the mandrels and the straight edges used to set the rod up to find out what the true center point to center point of the small end bore and large end bore of the rod are. The idea is that means that this rod is placed in a position to where we have a propeller trying to pull the crankshaft out of the engine. We have to assure that we're not going to be out of specs because of what can occur with this rod, and that is twist. So what we're looking is this point to see if it's twist. Now in this case here, what we're going to do is we're going to set these mandrels in place, the appropriate mandrels naturally, and then we're going to use these blocks here and we're going to place feeler gauges underneath these points to see what the difference is, if there is any, to see if it's within tolerances. If it's within tolerances, manufacturers will tell us that we're able to use this at that point. Otherwise, it is a reject. Alright, on to the next. Alright, in this image here, what we're looking for is stretch. And when we talk about stretch, we're talking about the alignment of the rod itself from the big end bore to the small end bore. The way we're going to do this is by using the same two mandrels that we use to check for twist, and we're going to measure the difference from one side to the other and see if it again is within tolerances to the manufacturer specifications as demonstrated here.